Hi there, this is Alex Fiestas, and in this video I'm going to show you a few improvements we have done in the KDE workspace, in master, which will become 4.8, but all of this you are going to see will be backport to KDE workspace 4.7.1. Indeed, in fact, these patches are done thinking on KDE 4.7, since most of what you are going to see right now is going to be rewritten for KDE 4.8. Anyway, to show you the fixes, I have two seasons. One with the user KRandR test, and the other one with my user. This one is using or running master, and this one is using KDE 4.6.5 workspace. So I'm going to switch to that. Let's see. You can see that now I have the same output in both screens. So the first thing I'm going to do is access the configuration dialog and try to put the VGA at 1920 resolution right off the LBDS, which is the laptop screen. So I'm going to click apply, and yes, something happened, but not what we want to happen. The same thing is still being shown in each one of the screens. Why is that? Why is the KCM is not doing as we said? Okay, this is all about a feature called Unify Outputs, which can be found in the System Try application. Is this option over here. This option is only shown in the System Try application, while it is affecting both the System Try application and the KCM. Personally, I don't like this option, or at least I don't like this option affecting all applications. But for KDE 4.7.1, what we have done, have to put password, 1 second. What we have done is just add this option to the KCM over here. So if this option is clicked, then the picture will show always one square, and the KCM is not going to allow you to have different configurations between screens. Sorry for my hand shaking. I have took a couple of coffees. Let's say 5 or something like that. So anyway, yeah, you can see that the resolution is always the same. Same happen with rotation. It's not the best interface you can find out there, but it works. And now this won't happen again, since you will be able to see if you have the Unify option click or check or uncheck. Okay, so next, a small thing. Let's go back to the KDE 4.6.5 workspace. Okay, more things. Yeah, this one. Okay, now we are going to disable to uncheck the Unify thing, and we are going to disable the VGA screen. Here we go. And finally, we're going, you can see in the System Try application, the both outputs are still shown. This is okay, this is alright, because the VGA is still connected. The thing is that if I unplug it, the system drive application is not being updated. So still I can configure the VGA, and trust me, nothing good will come out of configuring a disconnected output. So again, this has been fixed in master, and in the same fashion the KCM now is showing connect. If I unplug the cable, we're still showing it as connect. So same thing, this in master works like a charm, as you will be able to see right now. Let me show you. Switching to my user. I tried to remove the automatically screen lock, but as you can see I haven't success. So password moment again. Okay. So some operation, system try, VGA, disable. This never happened, but well, it's what happens when you live in master, that stuff like that happens. Anyway, something. Well, I have disabled the composite, so, and still is not working well. Anyway, you can see here the two options, the two outputs, sorry, are still there. Same thing, because the wire is connected. We disconnect the wire, so we go back to the menu, and now the menu is only showing one screen. Same thing with the KCM. Here you can see the VGA is not connected and disabled. If I plug the cable, VGA is connected and the options too are enabled. Okay, more things. Switching back to KDE 4.6. Okay, as last fixes, both the KCM and the KRandR menu are being updated on configuration, meaning that if, for example, I execute this command which is saying is please execute KRandR, the output LVDS I want it auto, the output VGA1 I want it auto, and I want it write off LVDS. So if I execute this command, as you can see, the KCM is not being updated, so it's still showing one output here and the options are not updated. But the KRandR is not updated neither. So for example, the screen resolution is not selected and so on. So same thing if we switch to master, password, sorry, but I really need my two hands to type the password, so I have to put the cell phone on the table. Okay, same thing. This is master again, green white paper. If I execute the same thing, well, there is the primary key because I am specifying the VGA1 to be the primary output, but this should not affect anything. If I execute the command, have to wait until the monitor scan for the VGA port. Come on, there is nothing there. Okay, now it should show up. Shit. Well, I can drag 1 second. Well, anyway, the monitor is doing lazy things. But as you can see, the KCM has been updated. The monitor is right off, the LBDS and everything. Even the VGA primary output is correctly selected and so on. Something else I want to show you, if my external monitor allows me to do so. Okay, 1 second. Let me find. Okay, we'll see if that works later. Switching back to KDE 4.6. Okay, last thing I want to show you is this one. I'm going to use the Evil Unify option again, which of course is not working. Okay, it seems that my server is not working well right now, but this doesn't have anything to do with KDE, so it's alright. Okay, well, the other thing we have fixed in the KDE workspace 4.7.1 is that the system try application was forcing its configure options always. So if you had the system try application executed and you try, for example, in the terminal doing some operation, the system try application will force its settings back, which is okay, now it's working. We have the unified configuration. So I go to the terminal. I try to execute again this command line, which should put the output VGA right to the built-in screen. I execute it and nothing happened. The screen is still duplicate. So now, as proof of the bug, I'm going to close the system try application, execute it again, and now it works. So as I was trying to explain while I was trying to fix the KRandR messaging, the system try application was listening to old events, and when something happened, it was forcing its settings, which in this case was Unify output. So again, if we switch to master, password moment, here we go. We put it in Unify option again. Let's see if this works now. I will be happy something appears. Seems that the X server is not working well when two users are playing with KRandR. Anyway, sorry for that, guys. Okay, the Unify option is click. but well, as you can see, I already have the two screens configured. I can prove it further. I'm going to disable the Unify option, disable the VGA output, all of that through the Assistant Tray application. Now I'm going to execute again the command, and yeah, as you can see, it's working nice. Anything is in your way when you want to use the terminal or any other application for that matters. Okay, so this is all. Sorry for the quality of the video or the messy things, but well, Xserver is out of the scope right now for me. So I hope you like it and have a good day. Bye.